Deep in the heart of the forest, a group of intelligent beings is on a quest for knowledge. They are not humans, but our close evolutionary relatives, the chimpanzees. A group of researchers from Utrecht University, Netherlands, Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology, Germany, Center for Research and Conservation, Belgium, and University of St. Andrews, UK, have recently conducted a fascinating study to explore how chimpanzees learn from each other. They created a tricky task that the chimps could not figure out on their own. Just like us, they needed a little help from their friends. The experiment involved two separate groups of chimpanzees to study their learning behaviors thoroughly. Initially, no chimpanzee in either group could complete a complex task on their own, showing that the task was challenging and that the chimpanzees had limited problem-solving skills. This situation set the stage to observe how chimpanzees can learn from others. The experiment's key moment happened when the researchers added a trained chimpanzee to each group. These trained chimpanzees, called demonstrator chimpanzees, already knew how to do the task because they had learned it from the researchers before. When these trained chimpanzees were placed with the other chimpanzees, they provided a live example for the others to watch, learn from, and copy. By observing and imitating the trained chimpanzees, many of the other chimpanzees were able to learn how to complete the task successfully. This process shows that chimpanzees can learn complex behaviors by watching and copying others, similar to how humans learn. It wasn't about simple imitation. They truly understood the steps they needed to take. This breakthrough study shows that chimpanzees can learn complex tasks through social interaction, much like humans do. It challenges the belief that only humans can learn this way and highlights the sophisticated learning abilities of our primate cousins. This discovery doesn't just tell us about chimpanzees, it offers clues about the roots of human culture and learning. By understanding how chimpanzees learn, we get a glimpse into our own past and the ways that learning and culture have evolved. So, the next time you learn something new from a friend, remember, you're not so different from the smart chimps of the forest. Together, we all share the incredible gift of learning, a bond that connects us with the natural world and its remarkable inhabitants.